Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. Let's wrap up the market. Yeah, oil didn't go anywhere at all. I don't think this. Yeah, it has more volume on counter trend movement. You see, it did this little thingy. Let's say it's in a balance right now. So for 5 minutes that would have worked. That needed a test here. Yeah, with this volume, maybe even without a test. Not my style, but still. Would need a test. That was cool. Counter trend, now with a test, goes nowhere. But also too late already here. Close 749, 750. That was a spring officially. On volume, so never mind, it dies. Dow Jones. Now change direction officially. Russell 2000. So like officially it's in the break, I think now. So hard though to estimate. I'm still struggling with them gaps. A lot of people use it to their advantage. So I think it's more like a break. Dollar is consolidating. But this volume pretty much nullifies this. And that wasn't a spring to begin with. Yeah, no. Not my jam. Not my jam. That was a sign of strength. And that's the T2. That actually held. That actually held. And also it was the sign of strength for this level. That enforces, strengthens the T2 if it was a test to the sign of strength before, of course. Yeah. It's in the balance now. And this is like after hour, hardcore after hour. However, that was an entry. However, that was an entry. Good exhaustion volume. It's big, but it's not like ultra big. So it's big locally, biggest on this wave. It's always a good sign. And then not the biggest. Short, short. Yeah, the biggest from here. However, that looked more like weakness and that's more like strength. Besides that, up thrust test. Beautiful entry. Clean and nice. Nothing more than 2R because it's in the wrong place on daily. It's in at support level on daily. That might work. Posi. Intel and its balance. Bebopping. Moscow exchange broke my heart. Didn't go my way. This is a break. This is now the biggest volume. Sign of strength. Wouldn't trust it much. Magnet. That would have worked. This is like, maybe not. Too late. Too down below. Just the wrong place on monthly. Daily looks beautiful. Didn't give us an entry. Boom. Bada boom. None of that looks good. That's a break now. It's a good in continuation of the trend. With this being sign of strength. Boom. We got a transition extremum on this bad boy. CVS. Nothing is guaranteed at stock market, but and we're talking about short. That looks very much like an exhaustion volume. That would be nice, something from here. Huh, look at this guy. Went into this level, bounced of it. Trade that I didn't take. I was too late to the party anyways. But I wouldn't have taken it. For all I care. Looks like initiative take over a little bit. It's just not clear if it did take over or did not. Yeah. You know what I mean? Biggest, it's not the biggest volume, but volume So first, like sign of strength into this bar, bigger volume, but cannot like go above this bar. Then smaller volume, and we got the tail, and then smaller volume, and we got a bearish bar. So it does look like sellers are taking over. This, however, was not terrible. 5 minutes maybe. Yeah, I was trying something. I was trying more reversal. So yeah, I think this thing does not go. Pfizer doesn't want to go. Boom. And the volume is there. Boom. You guys, this is... This is interesting, to say the very least. Counter trend. It just doesn't matter. Dell's International Incorporated, probably not an American stock. Still have volume. Boom, 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 boom. Chicago, Illinois. What can I say? Technically, it's good. It's too far below, I'd say. And this bar is unvolumed. And they're up high. But locally, yeah, it's high bid. This volume is here. I can do a big position here for sure. Yeah, I think I need to work through transition extreme here. Like this. This is too volatile. Way too volatile. Give me a sec. Just give me a sec. So yeah, technically it's a break. By my rules. However, counter trend. So yeah, only a swing trade is possible here. It's a break. And it's down, and this is down. So it's still good in continuation of the trend. This is a break on Vodafone. GM does something weird. That's technically break too. Yeah, that's about our day. So that would be good in continuation of the trend tomorrow. IBM is a spring though. This is ridiculous. Yeah, that's not a correction volume at all. This is a 2-bar spring in continuation of the trend. And that makes our day. So technically, yeah. But would I ever take it? No way. And I'm gonna let you go. That's enough for today. I see you later.